Thank you for selecting Weather Shield Windows and Doors. This video will show you how to assemble a frame for a Weather Shield Next Gen sliding patio door. This video is intended to be a supplement to the written instructions included with the door. Before you begin, make sure you have the proper tools and materials to perform the assembly. Doors can be extremely heavy. To avoid injury, use appropriate lifting techniques and an adequate number of people to perform the task. Ensure adequate room to assemble the complete door frame. Start by laying out all the frame components in the position as they will be assembled. Start with the cladding facing down. Lay the material on cardboard or protective materials to prevent damage to the frame during assembly. Starting with the assembly of the side jambs to the head jamb. The head jamb will have a corner key pre-installed into it. Temporarily remove the screw from the part of the corner key that is not installed in the head jamb. The foam plug shown will be pre-installed in the ends of the frame. Fill the ends of the aluminum clad profiles with silicone from the foam plug out to the end of the aluminum. Make sure there is a slight amount of overfill on each assembly to ensure adequate coverage to the adjoining piece. Reinstall the corner key in the head jamb using a number 8 1/2 inch flathead screw. Position the head jamb and side jambs together and locate the corner key in the proper position of the side jamb. Fasten the corner key in place with the provided number 8 1/2 inch flathead screw. While holding the corner tight, install two number 8 2 1/2 inch Phillips flathead screws into the pre-drilled holes as indicated. Install the number 6 1 inch Phillips flathead screw in the aluminum frame as shown. Verify the frame corners come together completely without a gap. Wipe away excess silicone. Repeat these same steps to fasten the side jamb to the head on the other side of the frame. The next steps are for doors with a direct set fixed light. For non-direct set doors, you can move on to the jamb to sill assembly step. The brackets that hold the direct set post to the frame will come pre-installed on the head and sill of the frame. It is not necessary to disassemble post brackets to finish the assembly of the frame. For the post to slide freely over the bracket, the screw attaching the keeper will need to be temporarily removed. You only need to remove the screw closest to the end of the post. Starting with the head of the door, slide the post over bracket. With the post tight to the head, reinstall the screw through the keeper. Using the same procedure completed at the head, slide the post over the bracket on the sill. Do not reinstall the keeper screw until the jamb to sill connection has been completed. Jamb to sill assembly. On units with a direct set post attached, you will need to gently separate the jamb from the sill corner in order to apply the necessary silicone. Apply silicone to the bottom of the side jamb, taking care to avoid covering areas that will not be in contact with the sill profile. Optionally, you can apply the silicone directly to the end of the sill profile. With either method, it is important to apply enough silicone for sufficient coverage. While holding the corner tight, install 3 number 8 2 1/2 inch Phillips flathead screws into the pre-drilled holes as indicated. Verify the corner is square and tight with no gaps. Wipe away any excess silicone. Repeat the same silicone and fastening steps on the opposite corner. On units with a direct set post, ensure the post is tight to the sill and reinstall the screw through the keeper. On units with a direct set post, the final step of the assembly is the application of the black plastic block at the head and sill of the post. With the post secure, apply the black plastic direct set post cover by peeling off the tape backing and pressing into place, making sure to align the cover kerf with the post kerf. Do the same procedure at the sill location. For more detailed instructions, please check the instructions that came with your door or contact your local Weather Shield representative.